Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for Bitcoin price, because guys, we have an emergency situation and we have lots of things to cover out on this chart. As you can clearly see, we're forming lots of patterns. We're forming this rise wedge pattern in the 4-hour time frame, which is forming beautifully, and right now we're fighting so hard to surpass this major support area, because yesterday we reached over $24,000 and right now we have came back to retest this massive support of this rise wedge pattern. And if this gonna actually break out, we're gonna get into a huge drop on the price of the Bitcoin. But guys, we don't have only that, we have also this double top formation that's forming here, and most people ignore. We're gonna analyze all these things extensively, because we have to understand that probably we're going for a big rejection, which is going against what most people believe. And actually, guys, if you're gonna see a huge drop to the price under $20,000, it's gonna mean that all this kind of pump that happened previously, it was one of the biggest bull traps that happened on this bear market, as I believe and as I have been telling you in the last couple of videos. And guys, the only bulls news that we had, it was the unemployment rate that happened today, which fell to 3.4%, which was the lowest unemployment rate in 50 years since now. But I'm gonna analyze deeply in this video what all these things mean in a combination. Okay, so if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because it's a way that helped me a lot to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And the process that I want from you guys is that very simply, daily like, daily comments, and share with your friends. Your social media is all I need, and appreciate you guys for this help and support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you, and without losing more time, let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame. To start with the rise wedge pattern, we're gonna continue with a double top, and then we're gonna finish with Trump fundamentals. Guys, as you can clearly see, we formed here a beautiful formation of this rise wedge pattern with A move, B move, C move, and right now the D move, retesting this insane support area. And if you remember, guys, when we actually saw this pump of after the Fed meeting, I told you that this pump is not real and it's not gonna last long. Okay, and if you remember, I told you that, and I mentioned you many times that we're gonna see this rejection. And right now we saw this rejection, and we're retesting in this very crucial line of this support, which is the $23,360. If you're gonna fall off under this massive support, guys, we're gonna start moving to the downside in a very extremely fast pace. Okay, you should understand that we right now Bitcoin is a very dangerous position, and because most of people right now believe that this is the end of the bear market, and if we're gonna see any crazy rejection, any free fall on the market, it's gonna create lots of fear from nowhere, and lots of people are gonna lose their money because they had open crazy long positions. But guys, currently I'm gonna stick with this chart 4-hour time frame, and I'm gonna show you exactly here the technical price target of this rise wedge pattern. And you're gonna clearly see that if you're gonna see a drop, breakout actually of this support of $23,360, we're gonna have a technical price target at $20,600. And guys, if you ask my opinion, if I believe that we can get there, yes guys, I believe it's very easy and reasonable price target, and probably we're gonna get there as a free fall. Okay, I have been telling you that if Bitcoin and actually the bull trap that happened, these market conditions exposed, we're gonna see a free fall on the market. Whales gonna sell off instantly, and then we're gonna have the firmwares who gonna panic, they're gonna sell, traders gonna short their positions, and they're gonna create all this FUD that always happening when we saw rejection on the market, a big rejection on the market. Okay, and that's of course gonna continuously decreasing the price of Bitcoin until we find some good news that actually can pump the price again to the upside. But as we're talking right now, guys, on this rise wedge pattern, if we're gonna get straight to $22,767 area, guys, this is a very insane support. As you can clearly see, is the base of this double top, and I'm gonna show you the double top because I have put it inside of the rise wedge pattern. I'm gonna remove this rise wedge pattern, guys, just to know that what I'm talking about, and you're gonna clearly see if we zoom in that here we forming a very obvious double top position, which is extremely bearish. And I told you that from yesterday when we reached this point. I told you, if you remember, if we're gonna get to this support area, we're gonna have a beautiful formation of a double top position, which is extremely bearish and extremely dangerous. The cause of that is if you metric actually this the highest point to the base, which actually the technical price target of this double top, you're gonna see that we're talking for a $21,270 area. So if we're gonna break the rise wedge pattern, which I showed you before, and we're gonna get to this $22,767 and also break this one easily, guys, we're gonna get straight to these technical price targets, probably with a free fall. Also, another justification for that is the daily time frame, which, as you can clearly see, the RSI is in extremely overbought position, and we have lots of space to get back to an oversold, so you can prepare for a well sell-off. That's why I'm talking for a big free fall on the market. And also, guys, as you can clearly see, the MACD right now, I'm gonna put it, you're gonna see that we are in extreme, we had saw the flip, and we're moving in a very big distinct of these two lines, orange and blue line. And of course this is gonna create here, as I told you and as I'm expecting to happen, a big bearish territory here. And this big bearish territory, guys, which is gonna building in, it's gonna cause a crazy crash on the market. So beware, guys, of this kind of a dump, because most people are freaking bullish right now, all talking for $40,000, $50,000 Bitcoin, but they don't actually measure the fundamentals, which are still extremely bearish. The only big sign that I saw on this current last weeks, actually, the only bullish sign was today, January unemployment rate, which actually fell to 3.4% versus the estimate for 3.6. And guys, this was the lowest jobless level since May 1969. Over 50 years, it's the lowest unemployment rate that we saw on this current market conditions. And guys, this is the only bullish sign, but of course this is not but this is not strong enough to create a bullish territory. We need lots of other things to happen, but this is only the first one. And that's actually, guys, anticipate me that we probably gives me the anticipation that probably the end of this bear market is very close. That's why I'm telling you 5 to 6 months at least we have to move on this bear market, and probably on these 5 to 6 months we're gonna get into maximum pain. That's why I'm expecting a big drop. Okay, I'm expecting one more capitulation. That's why I remain bearish, and I think I'm gonna be the correct one and not the wrong one on this area, no matter if I'm against to the majority, because I'm moving with according to my analysis. And that's why I don't believe that most people believe that we're gonna see in 2 months, in 1 month, $40,000 Bitcoin price. I don't believe that. Okay, because we need to lower many rates, inflation rates, the Fed rates, all these things must be lower and must be stopped raising. Okay, and if you and that's all. And if you ask me, Chris, what we should do on this current situation, what's the best method that you advise us, guys? I'm only suggesting you to do DCA and actually to accumulate on this area, no matter the price, because if you focus on the mid long term, and I mean mid long term, 5 to 10 years from now, and the Bitcoin price is gonna be insanely high level. We're talking for over $500,000 in 10 years. That's why you shouldn't care actually if you're gonna buy in $23,000 or $20,000 or $15,000. It actually doesn't have much sense if the price of the Bitcoin is gonna get over $500,000. Okay, we're talking for a crazy X, no matter if you buy in 17,000 or 23,000. Okay, it's very simply ideology to think in a long run. Okay, in a very long run. And you can actually think in a less long run, like 3 years from now in the next bull run. Also guys, the Bitcoin price is gonna get, if not a half million, which it's gonna happen in 5 to 6 or 7 years from now, but in 2 3 years probably the Bitcoin price is gonna have $200,000 or over than that, which I believe a lot, that in the next bull run, guys, we're gonna see Bitcoin price over $200,000, and the minimum is gonna be $100,000. So by buying on these prices, no matter the price, it's extremely low. Just buy and never sell, and you're gonna have crazy wealth in the future. Very simply, avoid the trade because you're gonna wreck out and you're gonna lose at least, no matter what money you trade, even the $500, guys. If you just put the $500 right now on the $23,000 area and you hold it for 5 years, when the Bitcoin price is gonna get up to $200, it's gonna be 10x from now. Your $500 is gonna cost $5,000. That's why you should accumulate as much money you have on these areas, because with that way you're gonna build crazy wealth in the future. And of course, I'm not financial advisor. Always do your own research before you put any kind of money amount of investment on the crypto market. But guys, this is what I'm doing and what I'm suggesting you to follow, because you're gonna have stress free. I don't care if the price is gonna get up or down, I'm just buying no matter what. If it's gonna get to the lower price, I'm double down or triple down my positions, because it's an extremely opportunity and a very low price. But if it's not, I'm buying just to do not lose the train. Okay, that's all. Simply, I don't have money. I trust 100% Bitcoin. I'm all in on Bitcoin, and that's why I believe in this asset. That's why I did, instead of putting the money on the bank, I put it, money on the Bitcoin, no matter the price is. Very simply as that. So that's all. I won't speak more about how on this video how I deal with Bitcoin and investment. Probably I'm going to create a unique video about that, how I allocate my cash and my Bitcoin positions. But for this video, guys, this is exactly what I believe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't want to keep it so long, so I'm gonna close it. And guys, see ya tomorrow with my fresh updates. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and see ya tomorrow, guys. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.